Okay, so it's heating back up again. 9mm versus 45. So I figured I'd go ahead and jump in. Why do I choose 9mm over 45? Simple. 9mm out penetrates 45. 9mm is lighter than 45. 9mm is more concealable than 45. And 9mm holds more bullets than 45. So back before YouTube was as big a thing as it is now, actually probably before YouTube was even really a thing, period, I was a big time 45 fan. So I started out with 380 as a CCW, and then I was like, well, I don't think this has got enough power. So I went and bought this Burst of Thunder 45. Burst of Thunder 45 holds 7 rounds in the magazine plus 1 in the chamber for a total of 8. Then I started watching YouTube videos and figured out that 9mm was more concealable. And so I bought the predecessor, which I still have to this gun, the Ruger LC9. Okay, so now as you can see, look at this. Say, there's your 9mm magazine from the side, 7 rounds. There's your 45 magazine from the side, 7 rounds. There's your Beretta magazine, 15 rounds. Same width, only slightly longer. 45, and this is as compact as a 45 gets. I don't know, there might be another one out there now that's more compact, but you know, this is still definitely probably in the bottom 3 as far as size goes. So, yeah, there's that. So, you want a cheap gun? Well, yeah, do you want a gun that's cheap to shoot, reliable, concealable? 9mm is your thing to go. You want a gun that's heavy, less concealable, though, like this Burst of Thunder 45, there are options out there. Then, and by all means, go with the 45. Just remember that this one's going to penetrate more clothing. Better chance of penetrating with plus P loads and say an Underwood hardcast, a Bear or something. And for nearly the same size, you can have this gun. A little bit longer, to be fair, but slightly larger. You can have 15 rounds. So, of course, to be fair, the reliability rate between these aren't all the same. The Burst doesn't like dirt very much. It's perfectly reliable as long as you keep it clean, but so that's not the point of this video. The point is to say that 7, nice and thin and compact, fat and bulky, pretty straightforward and simple. That's why I have a 45 and many 9mm. Is there an edge between a 45 ACP round ball versus a 9mm round ball? Possible. But somebody's aggressing, you should have one of these Hornady AMAX defense hollow points in there. I'm not sure what this is. This is a generic 45 ACP that's 15 years old.